Hi Sammy, happy birthday. I hope this Mariah's medley birthday song is worthy of a true Mariah's lamb. God bless you, Sammy.
We've known each other for a long, long time, and it's you and only you who can make it happen.